We had an awesome stay last night. Today, we are going to a green tea plantation. Originally today we were planning on going to one of the more famous sites, the Nara Deer Park, where you can just walk up, interact, feed and pet the deer at close encounter. But if you remember what happened in Tokyo at the cute micro pig cafe, we decided to just skip this. But we found something equally cool. There's a famous town in Japan called Wasaga. You may have never heard of it, but many people in Japan have, and it is famous for tea plantations. So today we are getting a tour of a green tea plantation. We're gonna try out green teas, see how it's made, and get to meet the owner who is building one of the more interesting and newer green tea plantation concepts in Japan.
We're Heath and Alyssa. Our favorite way to visit new countries with our kids is to hop in a motorhome and get off the beaten path. In this series, we're spending 2 weeks road tripping around Japan.
Hey Lou? Yeah? Should I go straight here? I don't think I can go left.
Sure.
Okay.
Wait.
Are you getting in?
Can I come?
Yeah, sorry. Well, you think I can make that turn up there? I think I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you can.
That's the theme of this trip. I think I can make that turn. I think I can get out of this campsite. I don't think I can get down that.
All right, go straight. Go that way.
Are you
We'll find a place to turn
No,
around.
look, I can back up here.
Oh, lordy. I gotta buckle up until I know you don't need me to hop out.
Okay.
What are you thinking right now?
That I can do like a point turn. I may need your help. Can you hop out? Yeah. Can I turn left?
No, if you cut it, you're gonna squeeze this wrong. What is happening? Don't leave me behind.
I have another idea that like these roads just keep getting skinnier and skinnier. I can just back up onto that main road easily. I don't know why I didn't do that already. The way we came in. Oh no, that's a weird thing. I'll go try this way.
Yeah. Go up here, turn left, and then get back on the highway.
Like this way?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that. I told you we should just go straight and keep going.
The number of times that you don't listen to me, but then ultimately listen to me.
We made it. All right, we're a couple minutes late. Let's go.
All right, go Ellie, go with Daddy.
Let's go. We're here.
I'm Daiki, I'm the founder or owner of this company. What we are doing is a farm to table is a concept. Wasaga is also quite long, around 800. So I am the first generation.
We just got a high-level overview of the tea that they make here, how the process works, and now we're gonna go get a tour of the actual farm. You ready? Everywhere you look in this town, all you see are these rows and rows of tea planted in the ground. They've been making tea here for over 800 years in Wasaga. These ones right here are about 12 to 13 years old that we're currently looking at. Just across the street, there's the old shrine, so we're currently walking up to these huge trees. There's moss everywhere. Getting a little bit of rain, but it's not too bad. It's beautiful. We knew that there was a decent chance of rain today, but at the moment, it's not like a torrential downpour. Hopefully it stays that way. It's actually like a really nice rain. Get on camera with me real quick. We have a habit of starting to just do our long daily activities in the rain.
Did we do this recently?
We did Disney in the rain.
Oh yeah, that's
Like our
true.
big out like excursions. Ellie is unfazed by the rain. This just makes it a giant playground.
But also it's a lot warmer than it was at Disney. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not too cold. We're doing good. Great, baby.
Well, Heath didn't put his boots on, but Ellie and I did. They are a must. We are trekking through the farm right now. And it is muddy, a little bit slick. Boots, good idea. Tennis shoes, maybe not, babe.
Yeah, probably not. Here you go.
Almost done, Mama.
We're almost done? Okay. He just said, let's go pick some leaves. In the rain.
Oh, just
Tea
the tea.
leaves.
Yeah.
Mommy, look.
Ellie,
She's soaking wet.
Ellie, will you pick mine for me?
Okay. This is for you.
Here, will you hold on to him?
I'll pick some for you.
Keep trying to hold the umbrella over Ellie, but she keeps telling me that she's made of snow and ice, so she doesn't need it, and then runs away. I'm doing my best. How many have you got? We only need 10.
And look.
Good job. You get what you needed?
I think so. Oh, I'm about to drop them. But
So
Nice.
I have them for everybody.
You have some for everybody?
Daddy, could you move?
Yeah.
Nice.
What do you say? So we finished the farm tour. We saw the production lines and kind of got an idea of how some of the tea is made. We even got to pick some tea leaves. And now we're going to eat some lunch at their cafe.
we're okay. Thank you, though.
Only this time of year can you pick the leaves and fry them up tempura and eat them. Here you go.
It's good. 2 days in a row I picked my food and just immediately ate it. It's awesome.
So we're trying the sencha first, starting with the ibukada, which is the most popular. Hello. This one was my favorite.
The middle one's mine too.
Yeah, sweeter.
Eli's chugging it. He loves it.
He loves it. Eli, which one do you like?
He tried all of them.
You want more? Mix it slow so that we don't spill, okay? Use your whisk. Oh, that's good. You can go a little bit faster, okay? Oh, that is it. See how you're making bubbles? You want lots of bubbles.
What are we making?
Should I do? We are making kumidori matcha. It's a blend of matcha. You're gonna be an expert, she said, Ellie. Ooh, get lots of bubbles. Stir, stir, stir. Circle, circle, circle.
Mama, remind me a little bit more.
That's my favorite one.
Yeah. So this one has less caffeine.
Yeah, that's the one I would share with Eli. Eli, do you want a cookie?
Do you want a bite?
Here you go, baby.
A local deer, which are local hunters hunting. Deer jerky. So for this,
Can I eat, or is that rude?
I think when you have kids, you eat when you can.
Mommy, do you see the pot?
This just like smells so good. What'd she bring? Another cookie?
The cookie and chocolate. Did you finish your lunch? Bite.
Oh, Is this for you?
Do you want
Is this for you?
Is it good?
Do you love it? Our kids might not sleep tonight.
I had no idea you could make so many things into green tea, but I got a giant bag of goodies. We had an amazing time at Matcha. The tour was great, the food was amazing, and I had so many different things I never knew you could make out of green tea. Cookies, sweets, cheesecake, latte. I knew some of that stuff, but it was awesome. And now we're off to our campsite for the night.
We've got a pooper.
Okay, nice. What about Eli?
Put me on camera, please. I'll beg.
Symbol of that relationship.